Alright, you want to check Germany's national debt? I got you.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Right, you can simply look this up online, this website right here, csecdata.com. But basically this will show you Germany's national government debt very extensively from the year 2000 to 2024. This is a much extensive website like previous tutorials. You can even take a look at different countries right here. But if you were to scroll down past the countries, you can take a look at Germany's key series or insights. You have their tax revenue right here. They have the government debt. There's the government expenditure. You have trade balance. Pretty much everything that you need to know that is macro and even microeconomic related with Germany. The second website is called macrotrends.net. Again, one of my personal favorites because it's more simplified, and they also show the debt from the 1960s all the way up until currently 2024. You have a chart. You can change this. Scroll down. It goes all the way back from, well, currently 2022 it says here, although it's 2024, to 1960. Pretty useful. And then the last website is the usdebtclock.org. More of a simplified website. As you can see, I'm scrolling down and I'm scrolling up, and Germany is right here. It's in 4th place. $3.4 trillion in national debt. It shows their public debt to GDP ratio over here, and there is their population size as well, completely for free.